Welcome. Now we will study about area of a right angle triangle. If you see here, it is a rectangle, and when I have drawn a line diagonally, we got a two triangles. So area of a triangle we can write is equal to half base into height. This is the formula of area of a triangle. So it is half into base into height. So now we will solve the practice set 46. A page of calendar is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide. What is its area? If you see calendar length and breadth is given, so it is rectangular in shape. So we will find out the area of a calendar. So we can write here what is given calendar. So we can write it is rectangle in shape. So here length is given 45 centimeter and breadth is given 26 centimeter. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length it is given 45 into 26. So 45 into 26, after doing the multiplication we get 1 that is 1170 and unit is square centimeter. So therefore we can write area of a calendar is 1170 square centimeter. Now question number 2 we will see. What is the area of a triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height is given 3.6 centimeter? So here triangle base is given, base is equal to 4.8 centimeter and height it is given 3.6 centimeter. Therefore, area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. So half base is given 4.8 into 3.6. So 2 ones are 2.4. So 2.4 into 3.6. We will do the multiplication. So we will get 8.64 square centimeter because it is given in centimeter. Therefore, we can write area of a triangle is equal to 8.64 square centimeter. Now we will see the question number 3. What is the value of a rectangular plot of land 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meter broad at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter? Per means 1 square meter. So here first we will find out the area of plot. So plot, it is rectangular in shape given. So plot length is equal to 75.5 meter and breadth also given, that is 30.5 meter. Therefore, area of a plot is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 75.5 into 30.5. So let us do multiplication. So we will get 2302.75. Okay. So we got the area, that is square meter. We should write the unit. So we can write therefore area of a rectangular plot is equal to 2302.75 square meter. This is the area we got. Now what is asked, what is said ahead? At the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter, we have to find out the cost of the rectangular plot. So we can write here cost of 1 square meter plot is equal to rupees 1000 given. Therefore, cost of 2302.75 square meter plot is equal to 2302.75 multiplied with 1000. So we will get 230275 and 30. Put the decimal after 2. So you will get rupees. So it is, we got the answer, that is okay. So 23,02,750. So we can write here, therefore cost of rectangular plot is rupees 23,02,750 rupees. Now we will solve the next question, that is question number 4. A rectangular hall is 12 meter long and 6 meter broad. Again it is given rectangular hall. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles. When we are using the doing the flooring, square tiles is to be used of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall, and how many would be required if tiles of 15 centimeter are used? Here two conditions are given. First we will find the area of the rectangular hall. In that flooring, if 30 centimeter tiles is used, tiles are of square shape and 15 centimeters. So first we will find out the area of the rectangle hall. So rectangular hall length is given 12 meter and breadth is given 6 meter. But if you see here, if its flooring is to be made of square tiles of 30 centimeter, how many tiles will fit in the entire hall? How many would be required if tiles of 15 centimeter were used? So we will convert this meter into centimeter. Therefore length it will become 1200 centimeter and breadth it will become 600 centimeter. Okay, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we will find out the area of a rectangle. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied with breadth, that is equal to 1200 into 600 square centimeter. I am not doing multiplication so that while doing division it will be easy. Now for flooring, when 30 centimeter square tiles is used for flooring, so how many tiles will be needed? So we can write, therefore therefore area of tiles is equal to side into side, because it is square, so it is side square. So we can write 30 into 30 square centimeter. Okay, so now we can find out number of tiles required or used or needed. We can write is equal to area of rectangular plot by area of square tile. Area of square tiles. So that is equal to area of rectangular plot 1200 into 600, and here we have kept 30 into 30. So here see 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled, 3 ones are, 3 20s are, here 3 ones are, and 3 4. So we got 40 into 20. So that is equal to 800 tiles. Okay. Now when 15 centimeter tiles is used, therefore area of tiles is equal to side square, that is 15 into 15 square centimeter. So we can now find out the 15 centimeter tiles is used, then what is the number of tiles required. Therefore number of tiles required is equal to area of rectangular plot by area of square tiles. So we can write now area of rectangular plot 1200 into 600, and that is all divided by 15 into 15. Okay, so you know 15 ones are, 15 fours are 60, so 40, 15 ones are, and 15 eights are 120, and put 10. So we got what is now, we will write on the next page, that is equal to 80 into 40. Yeah, 80 into 40. So 8 fours are 32, and put 20. So 3200 tiles will be used. So we can write when 30 centimeter tiles is used for flooring, 800 tiles will be used. Okay, and same thing, and when 15 centimeter tiles is used for flooring, then we got 3200 tiles will be used. So here we finished question number 4. Now we will see question number 5. Question number 5, it is given, find the perimeter and area of a garden with measures as shown in the figure alongside. So here if you see plus sign you can see, but there are how many sides, so we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and each side it measures 13 meters. So first we will find out the perimeter, since it is asked perimeter. So we can write here one side the length is given 13 meters. So here number of sides in the figure is equal to how much? We got 12 sides. Therefore we can find out perimeter of a given figure is equal to 12 into side, that is 12 into 13. So 12 into 13 we will get 156 meter. So therefore perimeter of a figure is equal to 156 meter. Now what we have to find out? Area as well. Now we will find out the area. If you see here in this figure, if we are drawing from here, all sides are same, so we will get the numbers of squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got the total 5 squares. Okay, because each side measures 13 centimeter, and each sides are of the same length, so all will be squares. So how many squares we got here? Number of squares is equal to 5. Okay, now therefore area of the figure we can write is equal to 5 into side square, because one square, the area is side square. So there are 5 squares, so 5 into side square. So 5 into side, it is given 13, so 13 square. So 5 into 13 square, the value is 169. 13 square 169. So 5 into 169, we will get 845 square meter. Since there it is meter is given, so square meter. So we have solved here. So therefore we can write perimeter of a figure. Perimeter of a figure is equal to 156 meter, and area of a given figure is equal to 845 square meter. Here we are finished. Practice set 46. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.